Are you tired of running low on coins in Ludo King? Well, we have an exciting solution for you. Introducing the ultimate Ludo King Unlimited Coins hack. With this simple trick, you can enjoy endless gameplay without the worry of running out of coins. Imagine being able to unlock all your favorite features, purchase upgrades, and compete with your friends without restrictions. The process is super easy. Just follow these steps. First, download the hack tool from the link in the description below. Next, launch the tool and connect your game account. Then select the amount of coins you want. Go big or go home. Finally, hit the generate button and watch the magic happen. It's that simple. You'll be swimming in coins in no time. Just remember, this hack is for personal use and should be used responsibly to enhance your gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome hacks and tips.